Good morning, student of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we will start as 3 of block 4 on page number 19. Today's date is 29 of July 2020 and this all work about our classwork. This one is our classwork. S3 is regrouping tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, in previous class we studied about regrouping tens and hundreds and we are doing today till thousands please. Okay, so let's start. Question 1. Tick the child showing the correct solution of 6800 to 4614. That means these two students are showing their answers and which one is correct. कौन सा इनमें से सही है? Let's see. We are going to checking which one is right. So first number we have, second number we have, and we will subtract. We are doing subtraction chapter. 2 minus 4 can we subtract from 2? No, 2 is small number, so what we will do? We will took a carry from 0 and 0 to carry from 8. Okay, so we will took carry from 0. 0 से हम carry लेंगे, but 0 is saying that I don't have, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. What I give? So to said to 0 को बोलता है आप क्या करो, 8 से बोरो ले लो. आप 8 से बोरो ले लो, ठीक है. So 8 ने किसको बोरो दी? 0 को, और 0 क्या बन गया हमारा? 10. ओके, और 10 अब नाउ दिस वन इज 10. 10 ने किसको बोरो दी? 2 को. सो इट विल बिकम 12. 12 minus 4, 8. This was we have 10 because it gives carry from borrow from 8 and now we have 10. 10 ने किसको कैरी दी थी? 2 को. नाउ इट हैज़ ओनली 9 and here already written 10. This is wrong. What we will do? We will subtract from 9. Sorry, from 9. 9 से हम subtract करेंगे. Okay, 9 minus 1, 8. What number will come? 8. This one is wrong. Here should become 8. Now we have here 8. 8 gives carry to 0. We have here 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. This is the error of this. Okay, now let's see this one is right or wrong. 12. 12 minus 4, 8. And it will become 10. 10 ने carry दी 2 को और ये बन गया 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Yeah, this one is right and this one is wrong. Okay, because we have here 9. This one is right. So let's see next place. We have here 7. Okay, 7 minus 6, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 2188. Yes, we got the answer. This one is right. This one is right. Okay, so now come on question 2. Find the difference. Find the difference. We have to arrange in our columns and we have to find out difference. So both numbers we are going to arrange in our columns. Okay, 4321, 3456. We have to subtract. 1 minus 6, can we subtract? No, we can't subtract, so we will do a carry. Okay, it will become 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Okay, we have here 2. Now can we subtract? 2 gives carry to 1. Now we have here 1. 1, can we subtract 5 from 1? No, we will took a carry and it will become 11. Okay, borrow लेंगे हम, ठीक है. 11. 11 minus 5. Okay, 11 minus 5. What number will come? 6. And we have here 3. And 3 gives carry to 2. 3 ने किसको carry दी? 2 को. Now we have here बोरो ली, ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव हियर 2 और 2 किससे बोरो लेगा अब? 4 से, बिकॉज वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 2 से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते 4 को. सो इट विल टू ए बोरो. ओके, इट विल बिकम 12. 12 माइनस 4, यस 8. नाउ वी हैव हियर 4. 4 ने किसको बोरो दी थी? 3 को. नाउ वी हैव हियर 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now number is 865. Next, B. 3 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 3? No, we will took a borrow from 4. 4 से हम borrow लेंगे, ठीक है. 4 will give borrow to 3. It will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Okay, now we have here 3. Okay, can we subtract 6 from 3? No, it will become 13 if we will took borrow. Okay, 13 minus 6, 7. Now we have here 2 and 2 gives borrow to 4. 2 ने किसको borrow दी? 4 को. और ये क्या हो गया? 1. 1 minus 6. Can we subtract? No. What we will do? We will took a borrow from 5. 5 से हम borrow लेंगे. It will become 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Okay, students. Now we have here only 4 because 5 gives borrow to 2. Okay, now we have here 4. 4 minus 1, what number will come? 3. The number name is 3578. Okay, students. So now come on next. 3. There are, this one is our story sum. There are 3462 books in our library. Okay, in our school also we have library. We always go in our library to study. Okay, we have library, and in library we have 3462 books in a library. 1589 of them are in English book. इंग्लिश बुक है, टोटल बुक्स है, उसमें मिक्स मर्ज है. हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मैथ, साइंस, एवरी सब्जेक्ट वी हैव इन लाइब्रेरी. एंड these number of books are of English books. How many books are in other languages? यानी इंग्लिश की इतनी है हमारे पास, तो अदर लैंग्वेज की कितनी होगी? सपोज हमारे बैग में कितनी बुक्स है? टोटल बुक्स है 12. ठीक है, 12 में से 2 बुक्स हमारी इंग्लिश की है. हाउ मेनी बुक्स आर देयर ऑफ अदर लैंग्वेज? बैग में हमारे पास अदर लैंग्वेज की कितनी बुक्स हो गई? 10. लाइक दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व ऑल्सो दिस. Total books, how many total books? 3462, and we will make our columns and places. We will arrange English books. English की books कितनी हैं? 1589. and other books we will found. Okay, other books, how many we have other books? So we will subtract and we got the answer. Other books are 1873. So students, this was the S3 of block 4. S4 we will do in our next class. Till then students,